Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to AppSex Online Support Program OSP Class 1 Week 11. Subject is Integrated Studies Textbook Stepping Stones 1 page number 53 till 57 chapter number 4 topic Kinds of Plants. Resources required laptop, computer, cell phones and textbook. Introduction of the lesson. We can find different kinds of plants around us. Plants are a source of food, shade and shelter. We make many things from plants. Thought of the day. Plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Objective. Students will be able to recognize the different kinds of plants. Success criteria. Keeping in view the mentioned topic, listen, understand and answer the question. Kinds of plants. Critical thinking question. So the students, you have to think about the answer of the questions. Questions are, what are plants? Think about the answer. Yes, plants are living things. What do plants need to stay alive? Plants need air, water and food to stay alive. How do plants make their food? Plants make their food with the help of sunlight. Kinds of plants. If we look around us, we will find different kinds of plants. For example, some plants are short and green. Some are climbers. Some plants growing on trees. Some plants are tall and woody. Some plants grow in water. For example, look at this picture. These plants are fully underwater. These plants are partially underwater. These plants float on water. Some plants produce flowers. Some plants do not have flowers. Some plants give us cereals. Cereals give us energy to play and work. Look at these pictures. Wheat, rice, corn, barley. Things made from plants. Plants give us wood to make many things and fire. For example, chair, boat, guitar, house, furniture, pencil, bat, cart. We get paper, rubber and gum from plants. We make paper from bamboo plants. We get rubber from the juice of the rubber trees. Rubber is used in making eraser, tires, pipes, mats, etc. We also get gum from plants. Now watch the coconut song carefully.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family, there are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a bigger house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruits free. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. Coconut, coconut. The coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build a door now. The coconut trunk, do not throw this junk. If you save some of it, you'll have a second floor. The coconut wood is very good. It can stand 20 years if you pray it would. Now, the coconut root, to tell you the truth, you can throw it or use it as firewood. The coconut leaves good shade it gives for the roof, for the walls up against the eaves. Now the coconut fruit, say my relatives, make good cannonballs up against the thieves. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree.
Recaps. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned different kinds of plants, small, big, tall or short, etc. Some plants grow in water. Plants are a source of food, shade and shelter. Some plants give us cereals. Cereals give us energy to work and play. Plants give us wood to make many things and fire. We get paper, rubber and gum from plants. Home assignment. Guide the child to write the given sentences on loose sheet and fill in the blanks with correct word. Project. Your project topic is things we get from plants. The child will identify things in his/her surroundings made from plants. The child will point out the things and make a list. The child will write his/her findings, draw and label the things any two we get from plants. Format. This is a format. The child will write his/her observation and findings on a loose sheet as given below. Project, things we get from plants. Then date, resources, different areas at your home like living room, kitchen, etc. Step number 1, I was allotted different areas at home. Step number 2, I visited these areas and identified the things we get from dash. Step number 3, I took help from dash to make list. Here you will write your helper name. Guide students to fill the table and write any two items found in places given below. At my study table, in living room, in kitchen or any other. Instructions to submit the project. Write your name, class, section on the top of the loose sheet. Take the picture of the project of the things we get from the plant and send it to the teacher. Keep the hard copy of the project safely. It will be submitted to the teacher when school reopens. Project making is mandatory for all students. Grades will be given on the project. So the students, what we have learned today? Today we have learned we should not cut the trees. We have to save the trees or plant a tree. We have to plant the more and more trees because plants are very important in our life. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.